And side 2 of Sounds of the 60s. Band 1, Keep On Running by the Spencer Davis Group.
Keep on running, keep on hiding. One fine day I'm gonna be the one to make you understand. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be your man. Keep on running, running from my arms. One fine day I'm gonna be the one to make you understand. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be your man. Everyone is talking about me. It makes me feel so bad. Everyone is laughing at me. It makes me feel so sad. So keep on running. Hey, hey. All right. Yeah. Keep on running, running from my arms. One fine day I'm gonna be the one to make you understand. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be your man. Everyone is talking about me. It makes me feel so sad. Everyone is laughing at me. It makes me feel so bad. Keep on running, running from my arms. One fine day I'm gonna be the one to make you understand. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be your man. Hey, come on. Make me feel so good. I wanna be your man. All right. Come on, baby. I wanna be your man. You know you make me feel so good. You know you make me wanna shine, baby. Come on.
After a few minor hits, that was the real breakthrough disc in 1965 by the Spencer Davis Group, Keep On Running, which became the first new number 1 in 1966. Remaining requests in part 2 of today's programme will be for records by Buddy Holly, Elvis Presley, then 3 in a row by Cliff Richard, The Love Affair and Eric Burdon, and finally The Pretty Things. But right now we have another track from Mike Hurst's most recent CD, Producers Archives Volume 3, and this includes songs by artists he's worked with over the years, including Cat Stevens, Cilla Black, Shakin' Stevens, and the opening track is by the Alan Bowen from 1968. This is Bob Dylan's All Along the Watchtower with vocalist Jess Roden, which predates the Jimi Hendrix version by several months. Now, the Alan Bowen used to perform this regularly in the Marquee Club in London, which Hendrix often visited, and one is tempted to wonder if that was where he got the idea of recording it himself.
There must be some way out of here, said the joker to the thief. There's too much confusion, can't get no relief. Businessmen, they drink my wine, plowmen dig my earth. None of them must on the line, know what they are, it is no reason to get excited. The thinking kind is spoke. There are many here among us who think life is but a joke. faces kept their view, while the women came and went, their foot servants too. Outside in the distance, one kept it glow. There were two riders approaching, and the wind began to blow. All along the watchtower, all along the watchtower, all along the watchtower, all along the
Mike Hurst's production with the Alan Bowen in 1968 of All Along the Watchtower. Mike can't remember whose idea it was to record it, but says he considers Jess Roden to be one of the most underrated singers ever. And now the sort of listener story I love coming across in this programme. A letter came to me from Alan and Suzanne Godsall of Redditch, complete with photographs of meeting me at the first Earlswood Jazz Festival in the early 60s. Apparently Alan and Suzanne were each other's first proper girlfriend and boyfriend 40 years ago, reunited some 6 years ago since when they've been together, and they were married 2 years ago. First time round, Alan managed to get Buddy Holly's True Love Ways played on radio, dedicated to Suzanne, and they now regard it as their song representing everything that is their relationship. Obviously that's a disc they want me to play sometime, so today might as well be the day.
Just you know why you and I will by and by no true love ways. Sometimes we'll sigh, sometimes we'll cry, and we'll know why just you and I know true love ways. Throughout the days, our true love ways will bring us joys to share with those who really care. Sometimes we'll sigh, sometimes we'll cry, and we'll know why just you and I know true love the days, our true love ways will bring us joys to share with those who really care. Sometimes we'll sigh, sometimes we'll cry, and we'll know why just you and I know true love ways.
True Love Ways was actually recorded by Buddy Holly in 1958, but posthumously reissued in the UK in 1960, one of the first of his tracks to have string arrangements added after his death. And more Buddy Holly comes next, performed by one of the UK's first supergroups, Humble Pie. And they were formed by Steve Marriott, after his famous walk off stage during a Small Faces concert, together with Peter Frampton, vocalist from The Herd, Spooky Tooth Greg Ridley, and teenage drummer Jerry Shirley. Their first album, As Safe as Yesterday, included their only hit single, Natural Born Boogie, and before the end of that year, 1969, was quickly followed by the second album, Town and Country, which included this rock version of Buddy Holly's Heartbeat. A 1969 album track by Humble Pie, followed by this week's Song Swap. Now this is to be a version by Petula Clark for her album Petula of a song written by Ray Davies that was the Kinks' last top 20 hit of the 60s. Composed, Ray said later, as an emotional farewell to the original lineup of the band at a time when there was doubt about their future. Indeed, founder member Pete Quaife left soon afterwards.
Thank you for the days, those endless days, those sacred days you gave me. I'm thinking of the days I won't forget a single day, believe me. I bless the light, I bless the light that lights on you, believe me. And though you're gone, you're with me every single day. Days I remember all my life, days took my life, but then I knew that very soon you'd leave me. But it's alright, now I'm not frightened of this world, believe me. Days, thank you for the days. Yeah, those endless days, those sacred days you gave me. I'm thinking of the days. I won't forget a single day, believe me. I bless the light, I bless the light that lights on you, believe me. And though you're gone, you're with me every single day, believe me.
Petula Clark's interpretation in 1968 of the Kinks' hit Days. And to follow that, we're going to hear a version of Pet's own worldwide smash from 1964, written by Tony Hatch, Downtown. Seems he played the tune to Pet, who agreed to record it if he could come up with a lyric to match the quality of the melody. It seems, too, that with less than an hour to go, Hatch was still putting the finishing touches to the words in the studio washroom. However, we're going to hear a version of the song made the following year for an album of hers by Sandy Shaw.
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you got worries, all the noise and the hurry seem to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. No finer place for sure. Downtown, everything's waiting for you. Downtown. Don't hang around and let your problems surround you. There are movie shows downtown. Maybe you know some little places to go to where they never close. Downtown, just listen to the rhythm of a gentle bossa nova. You'll be dancing with them too before the night is over. Happy again. The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown, where all the lights are bright. Downtown, waiting for you tonight. Downtown, you're gonna be alright now. Downtown, downtown, and you may find somebody kind to help and understand you. Someone who is just like you and needs a gentle hand to guide them along. So maybe I'll see you there. We can forget all our troubles, forget all our cares. So go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. Don't wait a minute more. Downtown, everything's waiting for you.
Sandy Shaw's performance of Downtown for her 1965 album Sandy. And next, the last of 4 singles to make the American top 10 by the Raiders, featuring Paul Revere as lead singer. This was one of the most successful bands in America in the 60s, the first rock group signed to Columbia, who cut 8 albums and landed their own national TV show. But despite all that success at home, they never managed to achieve a hit in the UK. This US top 5 single was called Him or Me, What's It Gonna Be?
I was all everything you looked for in a man, but I know that it's not true. I've seen the way he looks at you, and I think you're gonna hang me up again. Now have you got yourself a brand new baby? Don't tell me, baby, is it so? I got to know what's it gonna be. Come on. Up your mind, I won't share your loving with another man. And if you see things my way, could you let me know today? But if you decide it's him, I'll change my plans. So now you got yourself a brand new baby. Don't tell me, baby, is it so? I got to know what's gonna be. Come on.
Paul Revere and the Raiders, leading to a letter from John Willerton of Southport telling me that he's been a devoted listener forever, but has to miss the show today. Not strictly true, as we shall see, as he's agreed to be best man at the wedding at 10 o'clock of Ray Hudson and Gillian Taylor, who were both 60s fans as well. Well, congratulations to all concerned. John, I know, will be recording this show anyway, or will catch up with us via the iPlayer. And especially for the happy couple, here's Elvis Presley's 1966 UK Top 20 hit, All That I Am.
All that I am, or ever hope to be, lies in your hands. You are my destiny. When you are in my arms, I rule the world. And when we're far apart, how cruel the world. All that I want, is to be near to you, to spend my life, making it clear to you,
You are my heart, my soul, my dream come true. All that I am because of you. All that I want is to be near to you, to spend my life, making it clear to you. You are my heart, my soul, my dream come true. All that I am because of you, because of you, because of you.
One of the songs from Elvis's 1966 movie Spin Out, in which he played a part-time racing driver obliged to choose between marrying a beautiful rich girl or driving her father's car in a prestigious race. Now, the next record is, Phil tells me, one of the rarest of rare Motown singles made by writer-producers Frank Wilson and Mark Gordon for the Motown subsidiary label VIP with The Vows, previously used as backing vocalists for Stevie Wonder and Brenda Holloway. The song we're going to play, Tell Me, was actually on the B-side of Buttered Popcorn by the Supremes, but the Vows version became a favourite around the Northern Soul clubs.
Without a doubt, I'm all that you need. And if you do, you can depend on me to make your life one wonderful dream. Baby, tell me. Come on now, baby. Yeah, I want you to say to me that you never make me sad.
A 1965 track by Motown group The Vows. And so to three in a row. Richard Ould suggests three tracks giving appropriate reminders of the days before credit crunches. Might be Cliff Richard's 1969 hit Good Times, Better Times, followed by The Love Affair from that same year with Bringing On Back the Good Times, and finally an MGM hit from 1967 credited to Eric Burdon, Good Times.
Good times, better
drum. Way down, down, I can feel your love means good, good times, even better times to come. I can hear music, Stradivarius strings. Oh yeah, beautiful music. I'm in love, love, love. I love the good times you give to me. Ding dong ding, hear the church bells ringing. Boom boom boom, now the whole world's singing good times. Way down down, I can feel your love. Good good times, even better times to come. I can hear music, Stradivarius strings. Oh yeah, beautiful music. I'm in love, love. I love the good times you give to me. Ding dong ding, hear the church bells ringing. Boom boom boom, now the whole world's singing good times. Good times, better times. Everything is coming up roses. Good times, even better times. I said everything is coming up roses. Good times, better times. Everything is coming up roses. Good times, even better times. I said everything is coming up roses. Good times, better times.
Since you went away, I've been losing my sleep at night. I thought there'd come a day and you'd be back to make everything right. But how wrong could I be? 'Cause now you're here with me, bringing on back the good times, taking away the pain. You're bringing on back the good times, and I'm living on air. So glad that you're there, sweeping away the sad times, making me laugh again. Oh, you're bringing on back the good times, and you've started me living now that I'm loving again. I've never been loved by anybody that's quite like you. So when you're telling me off all the things you want me to do, now you've made me see what you mean to me. You're bringing on back the good times, taking away the pain. You're bringing
When I think of all the good times that I've wasted, having good times. When I think of all the good time that's been wasted, having good times.
When I was drinking, I should have been thinking. When I was fighting, I could have done the right thing. All of that boozing, I was really losing. Good times, good times. When I think of all the good time that's been wasted, having good times. When I think of all the good time that's been wasted, having good times. All of my lying, I remember her crying. My useless talking, I could have been walking instead of complaining. I could have been gaining good times.
Yes, yeah, we all are having a jolly good time. And everything is working out fine. Ha 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 ha.
Useless talking, all of that knocking, all of my sinning, I could have been winning. I have to be easy, and it's a beginning of good time. Good time. I said good time. Talking about good time. Oh, good time.
Jeremy Vine, discussing the issues that affect you.
If we've got family members who are vulnerable in whatever way, we can send them into the care of other people and know that they're going to be returned home safe and well. What is the issue?
With insight and opinion,
If you fall ill on holiday, that's the luck of the draw. There is no reason why you should add that on to your annual leave.
and your views and experiences.
25 pence an hour is the difference between you being on benefits and working.
If you take a job on, that is basically what it's like doing 25 pence an hour. It's hardly worth the while, really.
Join Jeremy Vine, weekdays from midday.
BBC Radio 2.
As I lie awake, resting from the day, I can hear the clock passing time away. Oh, I couldn't sleep, for on my mind was the image of the girl out to find. Oh, I love
Mark Winter's first British hit, Image of a Girl, which was a cover of an American hit by the Safaris. No, not the Surfaris. They were the Wipeout hit makers also in 1960, weren't they? Here in the UK, Mark was head-to-head with another cover of Image of a Girl by Nelson Keane, but that only got to number 37. But now let's sample a new compilation CD on the Kent label called Slow and Moody, Black and Bluesy and More. This has 26 deep soul tracks by such artists as B.B. King, Jimmy Holiday, Johnny Copeland, and this Ashford and Simpson song by Mary Love, Baby I'll Come.
If and when you decide you want me and you were blind, not I who couldn't see. Don't let your pride hold you back. That's a silly way to act. Pick up the phone without delay, and baby, I'll come. All you gotta do is call me and I'll come right away. Don't think you have to crawl or lose respect now. Why should you feel small? No one is perfect. I love you more for saying you're wrong. Instead of being headstrong, just say you want me back to stay. And baby, baby, I'll come. All you gotta do is call me and I'll come. Right away. I'm just as eager to make up. It was silly to break up. Just say it's gonna be okay. And baby, baby, I'll come. All you gotta do is call me and I'll come. Right away.
Mary Love, who re-emerged in the mid-80s as Mary Love Comer, singing updated soul with a religious slant. But now let's hark back to the early 60s Merseybeat era, when it's been estimated there were more than 400 groups playing in and around Liverpool. The most successful were obviously the Beatles, but hot on their heels was the group Epstein once admitted he most regretted not having signed, the Searchers. Their 1963 cover of the Drifters' American hit Sweets for My Sweet provided them with their first UK chart placing and topped the list at that.
Sweets for my sweet, sugar for my honey. Your first sweet kiss thrills me so. Sweets for my sweet, sugar for my honey. I'll never ever let you go. If you wanted that star that shines so brightly to match the stardust in your eye, darling, I would chase that bright star nightly and try to steal it from the sky. And I would bring sweets for my sweet, sugar for
The Searchers' first number one, bringing us to our last request this week from 14-year-old James Clark, who says that despite his tender years, he loves 60s music. He often wonders what it must have been like to be around then, and this show is the closest he can get to it. James then asks for the Pretty Things 1968 release, Bracelets of Fingers. Well, this came from their album SF Sorrow, produced by Norman Smith, who'd been the Beatles' sound engineer. This was considered the first and most complete rock opera, predating Pete Townshend's Tommy by a year, and acknowledged by Pete as being a key influence on him to complete his work.
Love, 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 love. Love, 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 land of love. These are a few of the things I find joy. Bracelets of fingers sit on water.
Fly to the moon and I'll get there quite soon if I wait a while. Cradled in branches that stretch out their arms, I must wait a while. Bending my mind as I pick up the flowers in May. Hearing the laughter that turns into tears every day. Fly to the moon on the curve of a spoon, I turn upside down. Tumbling through leaves as I scatter the seeds on an eider down. Love, 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 land of love. Fly to the moon and I'll get there quite soon if I wait a while. Daylight arrives with the turn of the skies, I must wait a while. Clouds building castles, the wind comes and blows them away. Tears in the water make circles for me as I play. Fly to the moon on the curve of a spoon, I turn upside down. Tumbling through leaves as I scatter the seeds on an eider down. Love, 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 land of love.
Bracelets of fingers sit on
The Pretty Things with Bracelets of Fingers, bringing us to our final record of the week, an answer song recorded by Gene Chandler in response to Mary Wells' American top 10 hit, You Beat Me to the Punch. Gene's disc wasn't quite so successful, but did at least get halfway up the Hot 100 and was titled You Threw a Lucky Punch.
That day, oh yeah, when you walked away, I wanted to call you back, but I did you threw a lucky punch. Little girl, you threw a lucky punch. That's right, you threw a lucky punch. Baby, baby, when I saw you, for the very first time, I wanted to love you and leave you behind until you put me down. I had won every round, but something hit me all at once. Girl, I never thought you would open my doors, but you threw a lucky punch. Little girl, you threw a lucky punch. You threw a lucky punch. Since I love you, let me prove my love is true and love you tender. Oh, please, baby, surrender. I've been a playboy, it's true, but I'm hanging up my heart for you. So I guess I'll wait around, tears falling down, hoping you change your heart and realize I need you by my side. 'Cause you threw a lucky punch. Little girl, you hit me in my heart. That's right, come on, it was a TKO. You made me love you so.
Gene Chandler had been born Eugene Dixon, but took his professional name from that of his favourite movie star, Jeff Chandler. And that brought us to the end of another edition of Sounds of the 60s, compiled and produced by Phil the Collector Swern. And this is your old mate Brian Matthews saying that's a lot for this week. See you next week. Jonathan Ross follows the news. This is BBC Radio 2, online, on digital, and on 88 to 91 FM.